After wrestling with a in-time engine crashes myself and spending countless hours testing various solutions, I've finally uncovered multiple methods that genuinely work, and I'm eager to share them with you right now. This video will show you exactly how to fix a in-time fatal engine crash and mod glitch, getting you back to playing smoothly. First, many crashes happen because game files get broken or your computer's graphics software is old. Making sure your game files are perfect and your graphics drivers are up to date helps your computer understand the game better, stopping those sudden shutdowns. Next, user-made modifications or mods are often the cause of strange glitches. These mods change the game, and if they are not built right or don't get along with other mods, they can make the game unstable. Carefully checking and managing your mods can quickly make your game run without errors. Sometimes your computer settings or the game's own settings are not quite right. Changing how the game runs with your system, like using a special compatibility mode, can trick the game into thinking it's on a perfect setup. Also, turning down some visual settings can stop your computer from working too hard and crashing. Finally, if nothing else works, a fresh start is often best. Completely reinstalling the game clears away any hidden problems or bad settings that were hard to find. This gives you a clean slate, ensuring every part of the game is installed correctly and working together, putting an end to those frustrating crashes for good.